Welcome to OFFROAD for Life. So it's the 6th of April 2022, guys, and this morning the water looks good. So once again, guys, we're going to put a crab out and we'll come back to the car park and we'll see what happens this morning. So yesterday again wasn't all that great. And these beaches are filthy, guys. Absolutely dirty. Have a look here. So we're back down in Sipingo Beach, guys. Have a look at the filth on this beach. So we seem to be fighting a losing battle with this dirt, guys. Anyway, let's have a look at this morning, guys. So stay tuned, guys. So walking back to the car park, guys. As you can see, once again, absolutely empty. Have a look at the water, guys. It's brilliant this morning. Really nice this morning. I'm actually quite surprised. Water's cleaned up. It's got, seems to have got its color back. Very, very nice this morning, guys. So guys, we've been sitting out with this crab for around 2 hours, about 2 hours. Just want to have a look at it now, guys, to see whether or not my bait's still there. Well, guys, have a look at this. Something's happened here. I didn't feel a bite. Have a look here, guys. It's got bitten off completely. So I'm not too sure what that could have been. So guys, I'm going to try to move to another area. Probably head down the south coast. Let's have a look there. We'll let you know what's going on. What a perfect morning this for fishing, guys. Have a look at it. Absolutely perfect. Water's clean. Water's nice and calm. I'm just going to move to another area. Let's have a quick look. I'll let you know what's going on. Thanks, guys.